Hey my friends, welcome back to another video. I haven't made any videos recently besides baking, so I decided to make another video of something else because yeah, I can't bake every week. But today I wanted to show you how I crimp my hair with this crimper. It's super easy. I bought this crimper from Shoppers Drug Mart and it's doing a very good job, and it's leaving my crimped hair in for until I wash my hair. To be honest, they look curly and crimped until I wash my hair. So yeah, and it takes, let me see, it's 11 o'clock now. Let's see when I'm done. I usually get it done within 5 minutes, so let's see how long it's gonna take today. Okay, so I am just taking any hair. I do it very, very simple. I just start from the front and just go over, hold it for a few seconds and let go, and then I always go into that little line where it was before. And that's it. Super fast and super easy, way easier than curling your hair, and it looks very stylish too. I usually don't go straight like this. I usually go a little bit towards that angle. I believe it makes it look better. Okay, just go take another section. So if I see something like that, I just go over it one more time. Maybe I forgot it before. Okay, I think I'm done now. Hair is all crimped, and I don't believe it took me more than 5 minutes at all. Okay, this is the finished look. I like it. I have very straight hair, so sometimes I like a change, and this is perfect. I don't use any hairspray, no mousse, nothing, because this crimper keeps my hair curly for many days. So I hope you like my video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing so you won't miss any future videos. Okay, see you on my next video. Bye!